Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can find your Discord ID on mobile. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. If you're using Discord and need to find the Discord ID for a specific person, whether it's yourself or someone else, I'll guide you through the process. I'm using Android, but you can follow the same steps on iPhone or a PC. First, open your Discord, and next we're going to do is tap on the little profile icon at the bottom right here and click the gear icon at the top. Now scroll down until we get to advanced option under app setting. Click on it and you can see here is a developer mode. What we're going to do is toggle this on, and this will allow us to be able to see those ID. Now I'm just going to go back to messages. Let's find some random profiles. Here you can see this. Take a random guy. Tap on the profile who you want to get the ID, and you can see there are two members. The top is this guy's ID, and at the bottom is me. So just tap on this guy's profile, and you can see the three dots at the top right. I'm going to tap on it, and you can see now it gives me the option to copy the user ID, so I can copy it and paste it. So that's basically how you can find your Discord ID in mobile. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.